joy, passion, real love, pleasure. This is everything that I wish for you to experience. Joy, real joy, feeling the alignment, feeling you're in tune with yourself, feeling you're activating, feeling that you're free, feeling that you're not repeating over and over the same cycles, feeling that you're breaking with your past, feeling like no one has the power to penetrate your system, your boundaries. Act true, speak true, behave true, protect your peace and your light at any cost. This is everything that I wish for you. I am here on this path to help you align with your highest timeline, where you're just meant to receive the greatness that God, the Most High, has to offer to you. I'm hearing glittery. You're just made to experience life's highest good. I just finished a one-on-one private session with one of you guys, and I'm so deeply grateful. I am so touched in my heart space, humbly grateful. Thank you so much, God, Goddess, all that is, for being a channel to spread your divine prophecy. Thank you. Thank you for understanding my path. Thank you for being able to inspire you, share my gifts with you, and that's the essence, the core of existence. Being triggered, traumatized, raised from it, and inspire others to do the same. Teach others. That is every single one soul's mission here. Inspire, because you're not doing it just for yourself. You have a full spirit team around you that are making sure you heal to inspire others. Your mission is global. Your mission is way more powerful than you imagine. It is just not about yourself. It's collective. It's godly made. It's powerful. It's fantastic. It's miraculous. You are here to share your story. You are here to inspire and to be a testimony for others to remember God's signature. You're here to share your light. No matter what happened to you, you have been designed to overcome it. And even if you're doubting at some point in the darkest time, know that this is the path of the chosen. Thank you, birds, for the confirmation coming here around. You're an angel. Your light is so special. You're so pure. I feel my heart space expanding the more I talk to you, because this message is going to find you the moment you need it the most, to reassure you, letting you know that everything is possible. Believe me, no matter how many times you felt on the ground, Remember where you come from. Remember how difficult it was to stop what you used to do, cutting away toxic people out of your life. But you did it. And for that, God's promise is, I have so much excitement within me because I'm feeling it coming, and I'm hearing also that you've been so serious. It's almost I have nausea in my talk to someone because of the excitement of my soul. Because again, it took so much time to come. But I've heard recently about the Chinese bamboo. How many years it stayed very little, but actually while it's not seems to grow, all the roots are taking place in the ground, making this entire root system, intelligence system, very solidly anchored in the ground. For the bamboo to grow 90 feet above. It's big, it's very tall, it's very massive, especially when you know that nothing can enroot this bamboo. No wind, no nothing. And this is you, this is what you're becoming. So massive. Because when this breakthrough is coming, when this gift is coming, you're ready. You're not going to do the same mistakes. Whether it's love or abundance, you're not going to fuck with it. You're not going to let any soul fuck with it. God, no make mistake. Everything that happened to you was perfectly orchestrated. It's pure mastery, and it's God. I love you. I love you. You're ready for the next stage of your life. That's why you found this video. You're ready to let go of what it is that should not serve your highest and best good anymore. You're so ready to cut with the dark. Part of your life there, and say everything that was connected, all the past life together. You're ready to get rid of it and for the light to shine brighter than ever. Yeah, you're ready to unify. My God, I'm feeling you might go through massive ascension symptom processes. Ascension, it's global, but you're very connected to it. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. You want to activate your soul. You want to get rid of everything you do not want. You want to cut the cords. You want to set yourself free. You want to align. You're so aware and fully ready to be activated. Very purple energy you're transmuting at this time. You're very psychic. You're very beautiful. And I love you. Stay wild. I'm hearing. And until next time.